You pull your favorite sweater out of the laundry, and suddenly it could fit a 6-year-old. Or that new shirt comes out faded, stretched, or full of wrinkles that won't leave. The label probably warned you. It just did it in tiny symbols: tubs, triangles, squares, dots, lines, and circles. By the end of this video, you'll know how to read the 5 main care symbol families, what the dots and lines change, and which marks you should never ignore. One easy mistake: a circle inside a square and a circle by itself look almost the same, but they mean completely different things. Let's start with the washing symbol. The washtub. A number like 30, 40, or 60 is the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius. It's a limit, not a target. No line under the tub equals normal wash. 1 line equals milder wash. 2 lines equals very gentle, often for wool. A hand inside equals hand wash only. A big X over the tub equals do not wash at all. The triangle, bleaching. Empty triangle equals bleaching allowed. Triangle with 2 diagonal lines equals only oxygen bleach, no chlorine. Crossed out triangle equals do not bleach. The square, drying. A circle inside the square equals tumble-dryer. 1 dot equals lower heat, 2 dots equals higher heat. Crossed out circle inside the square equals do not tumble-dry. Without a circle, the lines inside the square tell you how to air dry. Horizontal line equals dry flat. Vertical lines equals drip dry. A corner mark often means dry in the shade. The iron. The dots show the maximum heat. More dots equals hotter iron. Crossed out iron equals do not iron. Always follow the label, not just the fabric type. Coatings, prints, and blends can react differently. The circle, professional cleaning. A circle by itself means professional textile care. This is the one people often confuse with the tumble-dryer symbol. Circle inside a square equals tumble-dryer. Circle alone equals professional cleaning. Letters inside are mainly for the cleaner. A bar underneath means a milder process. Crossed out equals no professional cleaning. The pattern that makes everything easier. Dots usually mean heat level. Lines underneath mean a gentler process. A big X means do not do this. Lines inside a drying square describe air drying. You don't have to memorize every single symbol. Read them like a short sentence. Quick scan order before you wash something important. Tub. Can it be washed? How hot? How gently? Triangle. Is bleach allowed? Square. Tumble dry or air dry? Iron. How much heat? Circle. Does it need professional care? That whole check takes a few seconds, and it can save a sweater from shrinking, a print from melting, or a favorite piece from being ruined. So next time the label looks like random little drawings, don't ignore it. Read the shapes first, then the numbers, dots, lines, and crosses. Those marks tell you the most severe treatment the garment can handle without permanent damage. Once you know the language, laundry becomes a lot less like guessing.